Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside idle. Open the Python shell and select Options, then Configure idle. This dialog is the only built-in place to change font settings, so make sure you're in it. Once it appears, click the Font/Tabs tab immediately. You are not installing themes or extensions. Instead, you will edit the default font family and size here. Do this now to move directly to the setting that controls both the editor and shell text sizes. You now pick a font family and enter a numeric size value. Try 14 or 16 to start. Use the sample preview so you can see exact character spacing and readability before committing. Once you choose a size, click Apply to test it immediately in open windows. Make sure to set both the editor and shell if you want consistent text across idle, because this is the built-in control. Changing these values is the actual method to increase font size everywhere in idle. After adjusting, click Apply and then OK to save your selections. This writes the setting to your idle config. If Open Editor or Shell windows didn't change, close and restart idle to force the new font to load. If problems persist, make sure you edited the user configuration and not a temporary session. Check for multiple Python installations that might have separate idle configs. If nothing helps, reset Configure idle to defaults and re-enter the font size carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.